Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a young rabbit named Benny. Benny was known for his honesty. He always told the truth, no matter what. One sunny day, Benny was hopping through the forest. When he found the biggest, juiciest carrot that he had ever seen, his eyes sparkled with excitement. Just as he was about to pull it out, his friend Sammy the squirrel appeared. Sammy the squirrel. Wow, Benny! That's the biggest carrot I've ever seen. Are you going to take it? Benny the rabbit. I really want to, but I know it belongs to Mr. Mole. He told me about his special carrot garden. Benny decided to do the right thing. He hopped over to Mr. Mole's garden and found him working hard. Benny the rabbit. Mr. Mole, I found this huge carrot in the field. I think it belongs to you. Mr. Mole. Thank you, Benny. You're such an honest and kind rabbit. As a reward for your honesty, you can keep the carrot. Benny was very happy. He enjoyed the delicious carrot, knowing he had done the right thing. From that day on, Benny continued to be honest and earned the trust and respect of all his friends in the forest. Moral of the story: honesty is the best policy. It may not always be the easiest path, but it is always the right one.